2023.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the graduation ball of the Financial Sasaran Imperial CGC Badge Ceremony.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are your hosts for this evening. I am Major Ferdinand Giocho.
And I am First Lieutenant Michelle Linganga.
In tonight's ceremony, we are indeed honored and privileged to have with us in our midst the Commander of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Education, Training, and Doctrine Command, none other than Major General Marvin L. Nicodine of the Philippine Army. Palakpakan po natin, sir.
The prestigious graduation ball of the Command and General Staff College, commitment to excellence within our joint armed forces.
The warmth extended to us by every Filipino we encountered made us not like students, but here with the notion of overwhelming every discussion. We will have realized that there.
patrols will be completed by the service marchers at tools.
To be command commanders of the Philippine Army. Let us again embrace the life where we must fight, march, run, endure bad weather, go without sleep or food. To be isolated in some distant posts. Let us raise our glass and may we embody our accomplishments, our unwavering and unwavering spirit in our journey ahead with triumphs, more learnings, and continued pursuit for excellence. Cheers to the Army Group and the IFPCGSC Class 72.
Of CGSC Class 73 to our 10 months of sacrifices, camaraderie, and winning. Cheers to us.
GSC Class to all our resilience, discipline, and courage to be our guiding light. So cheers to the world.
And now we have the capital administrators.
Collaboration and freedom. Cheers!
My wife's namesake, Barbara Spicer. Some good things never last. Today is bittersweet for all of us. It's almost the end of our CGSC 73 journey. But we all remain grateful for the new learnings and bonds of friendship gained throughout the course. Tonight, we celebrate not just tales of successes. All this will forever be with us, no matter where our paths take us. Can I ask you all to raise your glasses? Here's to each moment etched in our hearts, to the romance and friendships we've had here, to the valuable lessons that life has. On behalf of the NRI, thank you for the opportunity to be alongside the honorable men and women. Thank you all for being part of this wonderful narrative. To the graduates of the Command and General Staff Course Class 73, congratulations. Cheers.
And last but not least, from the International Department.
I want to share that we have a best relationship team. We have also the best experience. We can study and learn all the modules. Hopefully, in the future, we have a better relationship. We have a partner.
Thank you so much to all the service marchers. Let's give a round of applause for yourselves.
Chips and House County State Business.
Morning kayo, masunod ka lang sa... Kasi sige, doon ko na lang kasi yung driver's license. Yung driver's license. Doon ko lang malapit. Valeria, malapit na.
Leonard Hall. Lieutenant Colonel Raul E.S. Hall and his wife, Mrs. Rowena S. Hall. Lieutenant Colonel Irwin E. Filongo and his wife, Mrs. Elaine S. Filongo. And his wife, Mrs. Rowena S. Hall. Lieutenant Colonel Irwin E. Filongo and his wife, Mrs. Congratulations to Mrs. Adams.
Guest speaker for tonight, Major General Marvin Lucero Nicodini, Philippine Army.
The Director of the CGSC Class 73, Colonel Dante Robert Grasparin, Eli. It is with great honor and I am privileged as I stand before you, a guest and the speaker for this remarkable occasion. Beginning of the CGSC badge and awarding ceremony for these spouses for faith. So before you ever start complaining, perfect the things you do. And it is in doing the right things that you are expected to do greater things as it is to the achievements of the careers of your partners. Your steadfast commitment to the well-being of your partners has not gone unnoticed. And we are deeply grateful for the sacrifices you have made in the pursuit of their successes. Graduating students, CGSC course Class 73.
Cheers!
Congratulations to you. Your labors will be hard work, and hard work. Remember, you will make yourselves. Thank you all. Cheers. Another cheers. Thank you for your service, your sacrifice, and your unwavering support. Keep your husbands. Cheers. Don't push them away. Cheers to the spouses. Thank you very much for your support.
Yan katumbas. Yan.
Dahil ay matanda na, sana di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y nagkakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit mapilit ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangarap sa nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangarap sa nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Alright, thank you so much, sirs and ma'am.
And joining also the Philippine Navy officers, we request the Coast Guard officers as well to join the Nemo officers for the photo worship. Alright, thank you very much to all of our Army officers. To follow will be all of the naval officers to be joined by the Coast Guard officers as well.
And stand by to all the members of Philippine Air Force.
Command and General Staff Course Class 73. These remain standing for the entry of the colors. Enter the colors.
Whether you have exerted so much effort or not, believe me, what you have attained is considered as an achievement of any officer in any armed forces for that matter. Command General Staff College, I hereby declare CJSC Class 73 graduates effective today.
For graduates, please.
Deliberation of the Academy's Academic Council, and by their recommendation, it is with a deep sense of pride and honor that I present to you 111 candidates for graduation of the Master in Public Management, Major in Development and Security for having successfully completed the requirements of the program.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as the President and the Chief Executive Officer of the Development Academy of the Philippines, I now confer on you the degree of Master in Public Management, Major in Development and Security, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Congratulations.
Congratulations, MPM Lexec graduates. You may now transfer your academic sash to your left shoulder. Thank you, and again, congratulations. You may be seated.
March 2023 to 11 December 2023, and awarded the Armed Forces of the Philippines Command and General Staff Course Certificate of Completion effective this date. As we call the names of the graduates, we shall also announce the awardees of Outstanding Graduate Award and Honor Graduate Award.
MPM Lexec graduate. Lieutenant Colonel Felmax B. Logilibo Jr., Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Darwin A. Manalo, Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Manalo.
Lieutenant Colonel Raul P. Esca, Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Esca is also an MPM DevSec graduate.
support the maneuver forces in hybrid warfare. The Development Academy of the Philippines Best Master's Thesis Award is presented to Lieutenant Colonel Albert M. Benito, Philippines.
Congratulations, Lieutenant Colonel.
Philippine Army Award is hereby presented to Lieutenant Colonel Paul P. Lama.
Class 73 with an average grade of 96.424%. The AFP Chief of Staff Carolina Award is hereby presented to Lieutenant Colonel Paul P.
Thank you. He is a proud member of the Philippine Military Academy Katao class of 1989 and graduated salutatorian.
Of a rigorous journey, but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with immense opportunities and challenges. I am deeply honored to stand before you as a possibilities, and may you continue to shine as beacons of hope and inspiration. Congratulations once again to all of you. Thank you. God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you for your very inspiring message. Thank you for your very We request our principals of this occasion to have a good opportunity to graduates.